Search Engine Optimization Training Course, Anatomy of a Web Document. Hello and welcome. In this video session we're going to take a look at how Google sees your landing pages, because I believe it is very important for ranking our keywords, right? So let's imagine this icon as a landing page of an HTML document. And let's just imagine that we have some text and some links on that document. Now, as far as Google is concerned, this actually doesn't mean anything, okay? Because your landing pages are made up of certain web page elements. Although you don't have to learn how to, you don't have to learn HTML markup language and so on, nonetheless, understanding certain elements and where we can utilize these certain elements for targeting keywords is actually very important for us. So therefore, HTML documents are very simple to understand. Okay, they are made up of a URL, which is your domain or other pages and so on. Then HTML document is HTML document. Now this could just as well be, let's say, a PDF document. Okay, and if it was a PDF document, then surely it's going to have different elements to it. So our HTML documents have titles, and they have meta tags as well, which are only visible to user agents like Google, Googlebot, and so on. And all the design elements that when you create a landing page goes within the body element, right? And then you have headings, some text which are within the paragraphs. Then you got heading 2s, and you also have hyperlinks and so on. So this is how Google determines what your landing pages are all about. Okay? Knowing that, then we should fully understand that when we want to rank certain keywords, okay, as we're seeing on the screen right now, the most weight, so to speak, the importance that Google places for these elements are when you place keywords within the URL. Okay, so I've tried to demonstrate the importance by showing you, this being the most important, and as Google finds elements on a page, it goes to less importance, like your footer information and so on. Okay, so therefore the important keywords that you will be targeting should definitely be placed within the URL, within the title, also within the meta description and heading tags, knowing this is how Google places weight on certain elements. Okay, it is very important for us to understand that. And also, while we're here, I wanted to quickly demonstrate some search terms that we sometimes as webmasters or website owners will come across when we're searching Google. And this advanced search query, which is in URL colon and some keyword that we will be placing, basically when we search Google like this, we're saying to Google, okay, bring me information, but do so, make sure that whatever I'm searching is within the URL of a document. Okay, it's very simple. And another one is in title. When we say in title, we're saying bring me results that you know of, but make sure whatever I'm searching is within the title of a web document. Okay, and when we say in text, when we search Google with in-text advanced query, we're saying, okay, whatever I'm searching, make sure that it is contained within the text of a document. And also, we also have this in anchor. That is a saying to Google, okay, make sure whatever I'm searching is within the hyperlink of a web document. Okay, so Now that we understand the anatomy of a HTML document, we can continue learning how to fully search engine optimize our website and landing pages. Thank you for learning with me. Let's continue learning.